Welcome back to Mobility Solutions for today's quick repair video on a Golden Cricket. Let's get started.
All right, you ready to go do a rod test?
Just a second, we're about to shoot this quick repair video.
Oh, nice, dude. Finally doing videos. I can't believe you're getting Brandon on videos.
I know. Hey, it was his idea too.
No way. He's changing.
So this is a motor swap, right?
Yeah.
On this Golden Cricket,
This one has a weird little motor bracket as well.
We start by disconnecting all the lead wires to the control board. And to do that, first remove this cover. It's a good idea to snap a photo of the wiring pattern.
Taking your photos. That's for newbies,
Yeah.
you know, and for me right here, just in case.
The wires do have tight connections.
Ooh, the guys are in there strong.
Next, we will remove the tire because the motor is attached to it.
There's Loctite on that joker. Yeah, I see those T-handle Allen sets on. But I gotta buy one. Oh, about to have to call OSHA.
Myself.
Next, we take off the anti-tip bar.
Interesting how the wheelie bar is built into the motor bracket.
This way.
And now for the last bracket. This one is small and the most difficult part of this job when reinstalling.
Pretty good.
Demonstrating the fault code with the original motor. The fault code was likely caused by this motor slipping in and out of gear.
It was doing that. So this one's okay. So what we'll do is we're gonna plug it in, see if it gets that code off.
Oh, I see.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Before we do everything else.
Melting it all up.
And the new motor showed another fault code.
This is probably why it was doing it. I forgot to look at that. Make sure that was in gear. That's it. No beeping. So that tells me one thing too about that. Because it shot off a different code that time. If you ever need to see if it's the motor and or your controller,
Yeah.
change the leads, take these leads, swap it over here, take those, swap it over here, and turn it on. It should switch that motor fault code, so it should go from, if it was a 4 and you did that, it should go to a 3, and then vice versa. That means your controller's good. If it gave you a 4 and you swapped them over and it was still a 4, you might have a bad motor and a bad controller. So, these are the parts I really hate doing.
Yeah, I would imagine.
Probably. I need to go through here, I guess, but I got a hole.
Now to find the right tool to make this possible.
Sticking out
Will this one work?
so it goes on like that. But trying to get this in there is kind of a pain in the butt.
Where's it got to go?
right here.
Wonder if my fingers can reach it.
It just needs to turn once and then we're fine.
Yeah.
Alright, and then exactly the same. Get the actual feeling of it.
Yep.
Being silly, Chris. I mean, dude.
Let me see where it is.
There you
I might be able to get it in there.
go. You wanna try to do it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Here, hold this for a second. Let me try without the bracket real quick. Yeah, right there.
Well, I guess Brandon found the tool he needed, and here come the jokes.
There we go.
You got it?
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Look, I can
good,
probably
dude.
get that whole thing in too.
Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. There's no way I was gonna do it. It's just, I mean, there was gonna be a way at some point,
Yeah.
but I was probably gonna go
Yeah.
walk away for a second.
Yeah, it was definitely the thread on the end of that bolt. It's funny finding it. Just like this one, there's plenty of room here for me, but that thread, there it is.
This is the hardest part right here for me,
Yeah.
just because it's the tiniest little spots are really built for my
Yeah.
fingers. Yeah, once you get it in there, then it's
Yeah.
well, I mean, if it's magnetic, if I had a magnetic
Yeah, going by it before the terror set. Now the next bracket.
all right, so this way, this is going up like that, so this is gonna go like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Pretty cool design though.
Yeah.
I was thinking there was one more thing we took off. It was the tire.
Now that the brackets are on, let's reinstall it.
Right. I noticed there was a good amount of Loctite on this thing.
Yeah, that Loctite is something serious. It's ain't going nowhere. Hey, you grab me 2 zip ties?
There you go.
Sir? About as good as it's gonna get.
All they had to do was give another millimeter of clearance in there.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes, it can be a challenge getting this cover back over the wires. Just take your time. And now for a quick pro tip.
yeah, on a regular motor, you would set to check the motor resistance on a regular motor. You know, go to 200, and then you would just check the red and black wires coming from that motor, and then you should get a reading between 0.05 and 0.15. Anything outside that range, there's no resistance, or if it's way over 3, 4, 5 and up, most likely that motor's bad. But if it is a brand new motor and you got high resistance, if you hook up the positive and negative to a battery, let the motor run for a second, it'll bring down the resistance to a good 0.05 to 0.15.
Yeah.
So if you're ever testing. So you want to test your leads right here, you can put it on here. right? And then you can click here, you can see it move. Black and red. Most likely these are going to be your power. I mean, on any of them, there's no resistance on them. And we know that these prongs are, if there's any resistance, it should show something here.
Exactly.
It's not showing anything. And usually your red and black are going to be your positive and grounds.
Yep.
And everything else is from
The hall wires or something.
just brake wires and control wires.
Couple pro tips.
Yeah, that's a good one too, because people buy motors that have been sitting for a while, and then they're like, they hook it up like it happened to me.
Yeah.
And it's like, why is it not going? Then you check the resistance, you're like 25. But if you hook it up and run that motor for a little bit, that resistance will come down. You just hook it up to a battery and just let that thing run.
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget,
If you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
and we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Yo, what up? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest Dallas Cowboy fan you'll ever meet in your entire life. Reno, UPS, number one. He is
Never.
just die hard.
I'll break out in hives. Put on Dallas. Touch anything, Dallas.